Michael's Soul Survivor. Here you go.
Sweet! Thank you guys. Thank you. Yeah. See you dead in a second. Yeah, but it's covered in ants. I used it.
How about the uncles?
What? Nothing?
No.
Okay.
Ah, leg.
Did I hit you?
Out, next. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get him, Aaron!
Ah, it's like I could cross the river that quick.
Really? And by the way, he spawned in the wrong spot anyway, so.
Who spawned in the wrong spot?
Michael.
Yeah, but you guys told me to. You guys told me to give me 5 seconds.
I gave you guys 2 minutes.
Yeah. Why don't you guys come over here? You guys stand in front, and I want to see if I can do it. If you guys are both ready to defend, if I can get around you guys, I'm basically going to shoot you guys. I'm basically going to go from the...
Yep. Did you really? Yes, you did actually.
Yeah, put in your eye protection. I got an idea. I start here. I can only shoot you until I'm halfway to the stairs. Alright, I can only shoot you when before I'm 10 feet away, and if I'm 10 feet away, I can't shoot you anymore. Deal? Alright. And no, you can't shove me after I shoot you. You have to wait 8 seconds. So if it takes me more than 8 seconds to get to the stairs, you guys can shove me.
Will you just shut up and... Hold on. I need to grab something.
I feel like it's gonna be a gun.
No. Okay, now I'm ready. It's the latest edition in Riot Shield, 35% thicker.
Sweet, cool. Give me a chance to reload my mag. Cause I'm 2 clips are down. What the hell? Guys, gotta reload my mag real quick. I got no mags.
There are no mags?
Yeah, both mags are empty.
I have to go with speed loader.
Where's the speed loader?
Alright,
thanks.
Where's the other one?
Both
I
over
gave
here.
you one.
Yeah, you gave me a mag. It was in here.
No, I meant a speed loader.
No, did you really?
Yeah, I gave you a speed loader at the beginning of the round.
Dang.
Maybe it's still at the original spot.
We gotta get you some patches.
Yeah, I know.
I don't remember you giving it to me at the beginning of the round. I remember you
Maybe
giving
it's
it to
still at the other spot.
Okay.
Oh, God,
Am I now filming the pool? I'm now.
You're gonna have to do an awful lot of editing.
Yeah, I know.
Or maybe just not even post it.
Oh no, we'll post it. It'll be like.
Yeah.
It'll be like an Eminem song from Walmart.
The worst Tupac song ever. Now available at Walmart.
Because it's censored.
Oh yeah.
Sounds like you're having a seizure.
Black guy seizure.
Oh, black guy seizure. I gotta work. I gotta work. I gotta work. I gotta work.
Yeah, I'll hold on to that.
This is terrible.
There's gonna be a lot of racist jokes in this, so put like adult.
Okay, now be careful when you bust the cap in my ass.
I will. One, 2, 3, go. What the oh. I think we're out of CO2, dude.
We'll
Really? What's going on?
I think it's out of CO2. Yeah, it's out of CO2, dude.
Oh, okay, game over.
Nope.
Wait a second. Get him.
You just threw something at me. Did you see that?
Supposed to hold the gun.
Oh, you cut that shit out.
Just break your skull open because you're a zombie.
Welcome to the club.
Too late, sorry, I already made it to the stairs. I have the vaccine.
Back off the station.
I got the vaccine. Wait, it works now?
Oh shit, we gotta get those guns.
No, fuck you, no, 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 nigga.
Here's the mask. Here you go.
I'm not wearing eye protection because then you can shoot me. Shoot him, he's wearing eye protection. Never mind.
Got a block of wood.
But let's try that again, seriously, if it works.
That's Michael's property.
If it works, dude, let me try it again.
Where's the mag? Where's the other one?
The other mag was literally, I'm gonna pay you.
Yeah, you owe me the mag.
I have a question.
Where did the pistol? 'Cause didn't I drop it like right here?
You dropped it right about here-ish.
Alright.